Okay, so those are all the birdie feeds of the big birds who can't get in the building, but find food around the building. And if you look over in the near the pig bowl. Boot, what are you doing? You go back to bed. You go back to bed where it's warm, okay? The box that Charlie built for our water spigot. Lily, go to bed. Lily, you go to bed. Oh, she's gonna eat the damn birdseed. Why don't I think about pigs? I think about cats getting them, but not the pigs eating the food. Oh, now I gotta get more, don't I? Eating all the oatmeal first. Please don't like the birdseed. It's icky. Birdseed is icky, Lily. Go to bed. Birdseed's icky, Lily. Nobody wants it. See? It has no taste. Stop eating it. Stop eating it. I gotta get more. Okay.